In this video, I'll show you how you can connect your website to a Shopify. Now this is really easy, guys. All you have to do is open up admin.shopify.com, come over to settings, and down here you will have one called domains. Click on domains and click on connect existing domain. Then simply type in your website, and then what you want to do is press next, and you will press connect automatically. Then sometimes it will ask you to log into your website provider, so you're just going to do that. But if it doesn't ask you for that, it's going to connect automatically, and then all you have to do is wait. Now, when you press next and connect automatically, it might give you some steps that you need to follow, and just follow them and you'll be good to go. Keep in mind, it can take up to 24 to 48 hours before the website is fully connected. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.